Now, which way the trough is oriented is also important. What happens in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere, 500 millibars is considered the mid levels of the atmosphere. What happens at these levels dictates what happens in the low levels of the atmosphere, and the orientation and geometry of troughs can give us an idea of how robust the response is going to be at the low levels, because whatever happens in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere dictates what happens in the lower levels of the atmosphere. So going back to our trough axis here, this dashed pink line basically through the center of the trough down through the base of the quote-unquote ski jump. When this axis is tilted back to the left, like it is here, this is called a negatively tilted trough. Negatively tilted troughs tend to produce a more intense low-level response, which means a more intense surface low or low-level cyclone development. Again, we'll talk about the low levels here in just a bit and the surface here in just a bit. But these troughs tend to induce surface low development, especially when they go over the higher terrain areas like the Rockies. So when these strong winds go through the base of the trough and go over the higher terrain of the Rockies, they tend to induce surface low development, surface low pressure development.
Don't learn alone. Discord community link in bio.